Hi, welcome to the TrackEase Google API Scopes demo. In this demo, we will highlight the three major scopes that the app needs to be fully functional. Let's sign in with our Google account. Choose an account. This app hasn't verified by Google. Click Advanced to proceed and go to TrackEase Unsafe. Sign in to TrackEase and hit Continue button. TrackEase wants access to your Google account. Select what TrackEase can access. By selecting these access, we grant TrackEase permission to use Google API scopes including Google Drive files, Google Drive metadata, and Google Sheets spreadsheets to integrate with our Google Drive. Select all and hit Continue button. Once signed in, we are redirected to the dashboard. We are now inside the app, and I am going to demonstrate the scopes and the functionalities we are using in the app. The first scope is Drive metadata. Let's navigate to Profile, General section, Settings, and click the first item in the list folder destination. This functionality fetches folders from Google Drive, allowing the user to specify a location where receipt files will be uploaded. In our Google Drive, we only have one folder named Receipts, and this will be the destination folder for the uploaded receipt files. Select Receipts to continue. The next one is the Drive scope. In this scope, we will cover different functionalities that use the Drive scope. The first one is fetching all Google Sheets spreadsheets for the user to select existing Google Sheets spreadsheets to work with. The second one is creating new Google Sheets spreadsheet to work with. Retrieving Google Sheets spreadsheets and creating new ones use the https://www.googleapis.com/drive/v3/files PI, which requires the https://www.googleapis.com/auth/drive scope. The next functionality that uses Drive scope is sharing the Google Sheets spreadsheet that we are working to other Google user. The functionality for sharing. Google Sheets spreadsheets also uses the https://www.googleapis.com/drive/v3/files API, which requires the https://www.googleapis.com/auth/drive scope. In this functionality, the user can also choose another Google Sheets spreadsheet to share. Fetching the list of available spreadsheets also uses the Drive scope. Specify email address to share. And click Share button to proceed sharing the Google Sheets spreadsheet to other Google user. The third scope is the Google Sheets spreadsheet scope. This scope is used to allow the user to fetch spreadsheets in their Google Drive and choose which spreadsheet to work with. It also enables the user to see, add, update, and delete data in a spreadsheet. The data that we see here on this expense page came from the spreadsheet we set on our settings. To check the Google Sheets spreadsheet we are working with, we just need to navigate to it by clicking the 4 square button in the upper right corner of the screen. And by clicking Continue, we will be redirected to Google Sheets spreadsheet app and the spreadsheet we are working will be open. Click the 3 dots on the upper right corner and the spreadsheet details will be open, showing the name of the spreadsheet. As you can see, we have 3 tabs or sheets in the spreadsheet. These 3 tabs were generated by the app when we created or added a new spreadsheet, and also when we selected an existing one. The expenses sheet stores the receipt data. The accounts sheet contains the account information used to identify the receipts account type. And the prompt sheet is used to map the data to the expenses columns. And now let's go back to the app and add new receipt data to our expenses sheet. Click the camera icon to navigate to Scan page. Click Take a photo. Capture receipt. Crop the captured receipt. And click the Send icon to proceed. The application is extracting the receipt information for us. Update the date. And save. The app is saving the data to the spreadsheet, and the receipt image that we captured a while ago is uploaded in the folder that we specify in the setting. Uploading the file to the folder that we specify in the setting uses Drive Scope. To verify the location of the receipt file that we upload, we need to open the receipt detail. Go to the bottom and we'll find the link item. Click the square icon with an arrow and the file will be open. Check File Details by clicking the 3 dots and click Details. Scroll down and you will find the location with the folder name. The folder name indicates that receipts folder that we set in our app seating. And that's all for this demo. Summary. We cover the TrackEase Google API scopes. OneDrive, metadata. This scope is used to fetch folders in a Google Drive, allowing the user to specify a location to upload receipt files in Drive. To Auth Drive. The uses for the Auth Drive scope are fetching Google Sheet spreadsheet files, creating, adding a new spreadsheet, share the spreadsheet with other Google users, uploading receipt files to a specific folder in the user's drive. 3 Auth Spreadsheets. This scope is used to allow the user to fetch spreadsheets in their Google Drive and choose which spreadsheet to work with. It also enables the user to see, add, update, and delete data in a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching and have a good day.